coming to everyone. Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about weak acid and weak base. Weak acid here. So weak acid means suppose you take first of all weak acid. Weak acid means here. Suppose you take like this HA. Weak acid always undergoes reversible reaction. Reversible like this. This is a symbol for reversible reaction. It undergoes H plus and A minus. H plus and A minus. So these are the products, these are the reactants. You know that. How can you find out concentration means? Suppose initially you have to write for weak acid. This is suppose initially it is more. So initial it is 0. So finally what happens? It will use C alpha. Here also same 1 mole C alpha, here C alpha. At equilibrium, what happens at equilibrium condition? At equilibrium condition, C minus C alpha it is C minus C alpha. Here remaining C alpha. Here C alpha. C alpha is there. So this is at equilibrium concentration for H plus concentration. This is C alpha, A minus concentration. So now we have to go for Kc value. You know Kc is equal to H plus concentration into A minus concentration by HA concentration. HA concentration. So tell me how can you find out H plus concentration at equilibrium how much? C alpha. Here also C alpha. HA plus C minus C alpha is concentration. So what is the formula? C square all square. If you common C, what happens? C into 1 minus alpha. Here alpha is very less than 1. So alpha will be negligible. So what happened next? Answer. Listen. What you got? Answer here. C square alpha square C common 1 minus alpha. What is this? Kc value. How can you find out? Alpha value will be negligible. So finally you will get alpha square by C square. Sorry, C. 1C cancel. C alpha square is the answer. Suppose Kc is equal to C alpha square. You can find out alpha is equal to Kc by C. Kc by C. Alpha value you can find out like this. Now tell me how much H plus concentration already at equilibrium C alpha. C alpha means how can you find out C and alpha value how much? Kc by C. Suppose this C goes to inside the bracket. What happened? Kc into C square by C. Finally which value you got? Kc into C is the constant. Okay, this is the find out. How can we find out concentration or H plus find out? Okay, next one is suppose if you want to find out for pH. Suppose if you want to find out pH value for this one, weak acid. Already told you Kc is equal to, how can you find out? I had told you that. So for weak acid you can find out like this, pKa minus pKw by 2, I think it is. Okay, pKw by 2. Okay, sorry, it is pKa minus log C concentration by 2. This is the pH value formula. This is the formula for pH value finding. So if you want to find out pK value, how can you find out? Minus log Ka concentration. You know that concentration. If Ka is given like this. Okay, thank you. Already told you alpha is equal to Kc by C. If not, if it is acid, we can write like this, K by C. This. Understand? Next to go for weak base. Not weak acid, go for weak bases. So we have formula BOH, weak base. It is also reversible. Weak it is not reversible. So what happens? B plus OH minus will be there. Suppose this is C concentration, initially it is 0. So this is initial. after C alpha will be used. Why we are using here alpha value means it is a weak electrolytes. So here C alpha used up, here 1 mole C alpha is C alpha. So at equilibrium, what is the answer? C minus C alpha. Here C alpha is there, here C alpha is there. So at equilibrium, BOH concentration is C minus C alpha, here C alpha, here C alpha. How can you find this is weak base? So I will represent like Kb value. So how can you find Kc or Kb? What happens? B plus concentration into OH minus concentration by, what happens this one? BOH concentration. What is the answer? C alpha into C alpha, here C into 1 minus alpha, as I told you before. So what happened? C square alpha square. C alpha will be negligible for weak electrolyte. What happens? C will be there. C cancel. C alpha square. So C alpha square is equal to K by, I have told you. Alpha value how much? Kb by C square root. Understand? This is for alpha value. Now alpha value, if you want H plus concentration, from this, how much H plus concentration at equilibrium? C alpha is there. C is equal to, how can you find out? Kb by C. Understand? Alpha value is Kb by C square root. How can you find out? Like Kb into C, I told you in early condition. So this is one. How can you find out pKb value? pH value here same. pKb minus log C. pKb log C by 2 is the product. Okay, pH is equal to pKb log 2H. Okay, pH, this is POH, this is POH, pKb. So we will get something will be value. So if you want pH 14 minus POH, you can get answer. This is the way of find outing pH value when weak bases or weak acids are given. Don't forget. Listen here. Here one condition is there. Suppose acidity is there. Acidity is directly proportional to Ka value, but inversely proportional to pKa value. Same basicity is directly proportional to Kb, inversely proportional to pKb value. These you have to remember. Okay, these you have to remember. So next one is, so what happened next one? Polyprotic weak acid. Polyprotic weak acid. Polyprotic weak acid will be there. Polyprotic weak acid. Polyprotic means more than 2 protons will be released. More than 2 protons will be released. What is acid? Acid means which compound give easily H plus ions. It should not be difficult. If it is gives easy to easily hydrogen ions, so it is more strong acid. If it is gives difficultly, okay, difficultly, it is not so much strong acid. So one compound is there. I will tell you here what happens. H3PO4 gives rise to H plus H2PO4 minus. Suppose it is Ka1 is acid it is, so Ka1 you have to remember. Next one, this will be converted. H2PO4 minus and removes one more H plus and gives HPO4 minus 2. So this will converted into HPO4 minus 2 converted into releasing by H plus ions PO4 minus 3. Okay, finally what we have remained there, H2PO4 minus H2PO4 minus over, so PH4 minus 2 is over. What about this one remaining? In this side H3PO4 is there, gives rise to how many protons are there? 3 protons will be there. 3 protons plus PO4 minus 3. So this is Ka1, this is Ka2, this is Ka3. If you want overall Ka value, you have to just multiply them. What happens? Ka1 into Ka2 into Ka3. So among these, which is more strong acid? We have to know that. So which one will give first H plus ions? H3PO4 will gives easily H plus ions. So it will give easily. If it is removed, then this hydrogen will somewhat give difficulty, not easily give. So it will give easily ions. So it has more strong acid, almost equal to overall acid. So K1 is greater than Ka2. Okay, understand? Okay, next one is comparing. Okay, comparing two weak acids. Comparing two weak acids. What happened by comparing two weak acids? How can you find out if there is a same concentration? You know that. How can you find out? C alpha square is equal to Kc. You know that. So how can you find out this one? Suppose our acid is there, na? So how we have to do? If two acids given, suppose K1 is equal to C alpha square, another K2 is equal to C alpha square. This is 1, this is 2. Why we are not getting 1 or 2 for C? This is concentration. Concentration are same. So that's why if you divide this one, how can you find out? Ka1 by Ka2 is equal to Cc cancel, alpha 1 by alpha 2 overall square. If you want this ratio, we will change this into this one. What happens? Alpha 1 by alpha 2 is equal to square root of Ka1 by Ka2. These are the ratio of dissociation constant values. Next one, when we combine weak acid and weak acid. Listen. Suppose if we combine weak acid plus weak acid, okay, weak acid plus weak acid. Okay, weak acid plus weak acid. So here for this one, weak acid plus weak acid, if you want H plus concentration, just you have to multiply this one. K1C1, okay, K1C1 plus K2C2. This will give out easily answer. If you want pH value, how can you find out? Minus log H plus concentration. Understand? If you add weak base to weak base, what happens here? OH minus concentration will be find out. Tell me what is the K1 C1 or KB or KB1. Here Ka1 it is, Ka2, KB1 C1 plus KB2 C2. If you want pOH value, how can you find out? Minus log OH minus concentration, you will get easily mark. So what is the final? If you want pH value, 14 minus pOH, you will get the answer. Okay. Next, common ion effect. Common ion effect. If common ion effect, weak electrolyte. Suppose if you take weak electrolyte, weak electrolyte, what happens? If alpha is decreases, what happens if alpha is decreases? Forward reaction takes place. If alpha is increases, backward reaction takes place. Understand? If alpha decreases, forward reaction takes place. If beta decreases, if alpha increases, backward reaction takes place. You have to remember this one. I will tell you later. Okay. Next one. Okay. Take example. One of the example. What happens here? Weak electrolyte. Suppose CH3COOH is there plus small amount of HCl you have to take. First of all, this is weak acid. It can undergoes reversible reaction. You know that CH3COOH gives rise to CH3COO minus H plus is there. Now, how can you find out concentration? This is C 0 0. This is finally you will get C minus 1 alpha. This is C alpha and C alpha at equilibrium. It is at equilibrium. HCl, how can you, in presence of ion, this is called, how can you divide HCl molecule, HCl. This is strong gas, only one arrow mark, you know that. So how can you find out? I like this, Cl minus H plus is there. So these compounds, which is common ion? H plus is common ion. So we are adding this one to this one. We are adding H plus strong acid to this one. If we add this one to here, what happens? H plus concentration will be increases. H plus concentration will be increases. So actually for this weak acid, how can you find out Kc value, Ka value? For weak acid, we can find out like this. Our C alpha into C alpha by C1 minus alpha. Okay. For condition is there, if this is common ion effect. Common ion effect, this will be increases more. We are adding this one. It is in equilibrium condition. We are adding this one only. So finally what will get? This will be increases. So we have to take, suppose this is C1, this is C1, this is C1. So we have to add this concentration, just to remove this one and to add this concentration. By this you will get K value. Finally K is equal to, this is one value, see alpha value negligible. Whatever, C square alpha, or sorry, C not C, this is C, this is C1. C cancel, what happens? C1 alpha, K value. So find, by this you can easily find out value. Okay. So alpha value is increasing, this side is increasing. Increases means it will undergo backward reaction. For backward reaction, alpha increases or decreases? Alpha increases or decreases? Alpha will be decreases or increases. Okay. Here this value increases, product concentration increases. So reaction will comes backward. Backward means alpha value decreases. Okay, alpha value will be decreases. Okay, this is the main concept here. But CH3CO minus concentration will be decreases. Why? If it is increases, this will be increases. To equilibrium with this H plus concentration should be come backward and alpha value will be decreases. So now another question. So what happened? CH3COONH4 is added to what happened? CH3COOH. CH3COOH is added to NH4 is added to this one. So which is common ion? NH4. This one will be added. CH3COO minus, and here CH3COO minus is added. So this is added. So this concentration will be increases. H plus concentration will be decreases. What happens here? H plus concentration will be decreases. It means what? pH will be increases. Understand? pH will be increases. You know automatically. That is the main problem here. Okay. Okay. Next one. NH4Cl is added to NH4OH. NH4Cl is added to NH4OH. Among this, which is common ion? NH4 is common ion. NH4 is common ion. NH4 is common ion. So NH4 concentration will be increases for this one. So OH minus concentration will be decreases. Another ion concentration will be decreases. So OH minus concentration will be decreasing. It means pOH what happens? Increasing. If pOH increases, pH value what happens to pH value? Decreases. These are the steps in common ion effect. Okay, thank you for okay. This part is over. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe, I will give you videos more and more. So share your friends and tell them to subscribe. Thank you.